Good day, this is the Professopher, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, December 23rd, 2022. It is 7:52 and 46 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, high-energy X-rays. So let's hop to it here. The high-energy X-rays leave a trace of destruction in bone collagen, date December 22nd, 2022. Source: Humboldt Zentrum Berlin. A team of medical researchers has analyzed damage by focused, high-energetic X-rays and bone samples from fish and mammals at PESI-2. With a combination of microscopy techniques, the scientists can document the destruction of collagen fibers induced by electrons emitted from the mineral crystals. The X-ray methods might impact bone samples when measured for a long time, the researchers conclude. Until now, the model has actually been more flux and higher. Energy is better because you can achieve greater depth of field and higher resolution with more intense X-rays. The PESI-2 generates a well-characterized, broad range of X-rays, precisely focused, in intermediate energy range, which allows insights into the finest structures and even chemical and physical processes in minerals. Thanks to sensitive detectors and rather mild irradiation conditions in PESI-2 as compared with harder X-ray synchrotron sources. Researchers were able to demonstrate on their various bone samples that collagen fibers become damaged by the irradiation absorption in the mineral channel crystals. The researchers examined the samples under second harmonic generation laser scanning microscopy for imaging the protein fibers. And together research scientists irradiated bone samples from pinefish, pigs, cattle, and pikes with precisely calibrated X-ray light. The beams left a trail of destruction that is clearly visible in the confocal and electron microscopy images. The high-energy photons from the X-ray light trigger a cascade of electron excitations, ionization of calcium and phosphorus in the mineral, then damages protein-like collagen in bone. The breakdown of collagen increases with the duration of irradiation, but also shows up, even with short irradiation at high flux. The X-ray methods are considered non-destructive in material research, but at least for research on bone tissues, this is not true. The researchers have to be more careful in basic medical research that they don't damage the very structures they actually want to analyze. And so, as everywhere in medicine, and even when there are no living tissues and DNA to damage, it comes down to using a minimal dose to get to the insights that reflect the material condition without causing damage. The X-rays produced at PESI-2 are about 10,000 times more intense than X-rays used for medical examinations. And for X-rays of a broken leg, the German Federal Office for Radiation Protection gives a dose of 0.01 millisievert. X-ray methods are extremely useful for medical examinations. And this is the Professor, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.